Welcome back to the Dr. Liu VCE Physics channel. In this video, we'll go through the 2025 NHT Physics exam, focusing on questions related to parabolas and circular motion. My explanations may not be perfect, so if any teachers, parents, or students notice any errors, please feel free to offer your feedback. A race car moving at constant speed around a curve requires a net force equal to the centripetal force to maintain its circular path. Therefore, the magnitude of the net force is calculated using the centripetal force formula. During this motion, the ball undergoes vertical free fall and maintains horizontal constant velocity. The shared time of flight is determined from the free fall equation, and is independent of the ball's mass, and is subsequently used to calculate the total horizontal distance. For a small car traveling in a circle, the net force acts as the necessary centripetal force to maintain the circular motion. Consequently, the net force must be directed inward, toward the center of the circular path. Assuming negligible air resistance, three forces act on the car: gravitational force, normal force, and frictional force. The gravitational and normal forces are equal in magnitude and oppose each other vertically, while the frictional force acts horizontally and is directed toward the center of the circle. A car traveling in a circle on the ground exerts two main reaction forces on the road: the normal force and the frictional force. The frictional force exerted on the ground is directed horizontally outward, away from the center of the circle. This is the equal and opposite reaction to the inward centripetal friction force the road exerts on the car. The normal force exerted on the ground is directed vertically downward, equal in magnitude to the car's weight. The net force exerted on the ground is the resultant of these two forces, and it directs radially outward and slightly downward. Quantify and define centripetal force. Understand that the magnitude of the net force exactly equals the magnitude of the centripetal force necessary to maintain circular motion. Analyze projectile motion. Calculate the horizontal range by recognizing that horizontal constant velocity and vertical freefall motion share the same time of flight. Apply Newton's laws. Differentiate between the forces on the car by correctly drawing them and the resulting net reaction force exerted on the ground using Newton's third law, while the car is in circular motion. Should you require assistance, please feel free to connect via WeChat or WhatsApp and send an email. Thank you for your attention. Kindly note the details of Dr. Liu's VCE Physics, Chemistry, and Biology channels.